Welcome back. Today we are going to solve this question. So this question is recommended by Shravan Kumar from India. So can you solve this question? If you can, then pause the video and take a try. Otherwise, let's see the solution. So this is our question. So we have to find the largest value of non-negative integer from this. So this one is the limit x tends to 1. So this one is given, and here is the power 1 minus x by 1 minus under root x is equal to 1 by 4. So for finding the value of this question, at first we notice at this power. So here we can write this limit x tends to 1, x tends to 1 here. So 1 minus x and 1 minus under root x, this one. So here what we do, so 1 minus x can be written as 1 square, and this one x is minus under root x square. So here is the identity, a square minus b square is equal to 1 minus under root x and 1 plus under root x. So we write at here this one. So now 1 by root x, so 1 minus root x and 1 minus root x is cancelled out. So remaining is limit x tends to 1, here is 1 plus root x. So this one the value is 1 plus under root 1. So 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. So the here the value of this power is equal to 2. So now you can write is here 2. So now arrange this. So here limit x tends to 1, and here is sine x minus 1 and minus ax plus a by sine x minus 1, and here is x minus 1, and the power is 2 is equal to 1 by 4. So now here we take the a as a common. Here we take minus a as a common, so it is x minus 1, and now here we write as usual sine x minus 1 plus x minus 1. This one is the power 2 is equal to 1 by 4. So now here we divide numerator and denominator by x minus 1, x minus 1. So here is limit x tends to 1. So here we can write sine x minus 1 minus a into x minus 1 by x minus 1, and now here sine x minus 1 plus x minus 1 by x minus 1, and this one is the whole power 2 is equal to 1 by 4. So now it can be write as a separate form. So here is limit x tends to 1. So here is sine x minus 1 by x minus 1, and here is minus a into x minus 1 by x minus 1 by here sine x minus 1 and divide by x minus 1 plus x minus 1 by x minus 1. Here we miss this one is a into x minus 1. So the whole power is 2 is equal to 1 by 4. So now x minus 1 and x minus 1 is cancelled out here. So here is the limit x tends to 1, sine x by x is equal to 1. This one is the identities. So the limit x tends to 1, sine x minus 1 by x minus 1 is equal to 1. So now we put the value of this. So here limit x tends to 1, here sine x minus 1 by x minus 1 minus a by limit x tends to 1, sine x minus 1 by x minus 1 plus 1. The whole power is 2 is equal to 1 by 4. So the value of this one is 1, this one and this one. So now we put that here 1 minus a by 1 plus 1 the whole square is equal to 1 by 4. So here 1 minus a the whole square by 2 means 4 is equal to 1 by 4. So 4 and 4 is cancelled out. So here 1 minus a the whole square is equal to 1. So here is 1 minus a is equal to under root plus minus 1. So here is the two cases. 1 minus a is equal to 1 and here is 1 minus a is equal to minus 1. So this one is 1 and 1 is cancelled out. So here is a is equal to 0 and this one is a is equal to 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. So here we find the value of a is equal to 0 and 2. So we have to find it the value to have a greatest value and non-negative integer. So here is 0 is not possible, so the answer is 2. So the value of this largest value of non-negative integer for a is equal to 2. This one is our answer. Thank you so much for watching my video.